Blow. Keep going, keep going. I must warn you that failure to provide, you will be arrested, alright? Yeah, that's not going to stop you blowing in the machine. Keep going. Right, this is your last chance. If you do not blow, you will be arrested for failing to provide a sample at the roadside, alright?
Yeah.
That cough is being put on.
You said you weren't coughing when we first spoke to you.
Blow. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Right, I'm arresting you for failing to provide a specimen of breath at the roadside. Let's caution you, you don't have to say anything that may harm your defence. If you don't mention when questioned, something which you later rely on in court. Anything you do say may be given evidence. Do you understand everything I've said? No, you've been messing around, you've had 3 attempts.
Where's the keys for the car?
You want 4 o'clock,
Okay,
surname Songhurst.
Can I have the keys, please?
Just confirm what the Songhurst 24th.
Would have been easier if you actually provided a sample rather than going through this.
Not shown wanted or disqualified. Stand by for a driving licence.
Inside the car were his girlfriend and 1, 2, 3, 4 children. Back in the car, at least his cough seems better.
I know, you stop coughing now then.
Keith Hussey was found to be 3 times over the drink-drive limit. He was banned for 30 months and fined £400.